Hello students, now we'll go for question number 5 in exercise 8.1. I'll read the question, first understand the question, then we'll solve it. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. We know that it is a property, but we have to prove it. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. We have to prove it. Clear children? First what we have to do? Draw the figure. Quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Join the diagonals, okay, and intersecting at O, both the diagonals intersecting at O. Clear? Now, given what is equal, diagonals are equal and bisecting at 90 degrees, that you will write. First part is given, okay. What is given in this? Given ABCD is a quadrilateral, okay. Then ABCD is a quadrilateral and diagonals AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD and both diagonals are bisecting, okay, bisects. Clear children? Now what is next one? After given, what we have to prove? To prove, what we have to prove here? Last one, what is given? It is a square. ABCD is a square. We have to prove. ABCD is a square. Clear children? Yeah. Now, proof. The step-by-step process. If you are perfect in the triangle chapter, then only you can understand. Otherwise, because all the congruence rules we are using now here. Yes, even lines and angles also. Clear children? We will go for proof. You select what is given. From given, we will go further. What is given? Diagonals AC. I am writing D is diagonals AC and BD. Both are bisecting at O. Yes, that means these two diagonals are bisecting at O. Bisecting means what is dividing into two equal parts, like OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD. Then in a quadrilateral, these diagonals are bisecting. It is a what is? Just directly I am writing ABCD is a parallelogram. Understanding? In a quadrilateral, the diagonals are bisecting. Then assuming that is ABCD is a parallelogram. You know it is a property. Clear children? Now after that, assume in triangle AOD and triangle AOB. Triangle AOB. These two triangles AOD and AOB. This we have to prove both are congruence. Yes. How to prove the congruence? Minimum three things required. Clear children? What is that one? First one is OA is equal to OA, possible. OA is equal to OA. It is a common. Yes. Then again one more thing is given. What is bisects at 90 degrees? That also we have to write here. Is given right angles. Clear. Next one, what is angle AOD? AOD. It is 90 given already. Angle AOD is equal to angle AOB. Angle AOB. It is a 90 degrees. This is given. Bisect at right angles. Clear children? And next one, OD is equal to OB. Yes, already equal given. That is also bisecting. What is that? OD is equal to OB. That is also given. Yes. What is working in this? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. By SAS rule, by SAS rule triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB. Clear children? These two triangles both are now congruent. Now we'll go for the by CPCD. Yes, by CPCD. Yes, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Yeah, write that one. What is here? AD is equal to AB. See here, this one and this one equal. We proved now. Yeah. Now what is that? Adjacent sides are equal. We proved AD is equal to AB. Yes. Now still something required for this one. ABCD is a square. Now similarly you can write these two also. Yes. AOB and BOC also we can prove both are congruent. Next, triangle BOC and triangle COD also we can prove both are congruent. Yes, all we can prove it. Directly you can write similarly. Similarly, what is AB is equal to BC also possible. AB is equal to BC. Next one, BC is equal to CD also possible. BC is equal to CD possible. Next one, these two triangles also congruent. Yes, CD is equal to DA also possible. CD is equal to DA. Then finally DA is equal to AB also possible. Just already we proved it. AD is equal to AB. Therefore finally what is it? All the sides are equal. Already we know it is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram all are equal. Then it is what is? Rhombus. It is a rhombus. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. But we have to prove it is a square. Yes, it is a square. Clear children? Now observe here in triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Take that one here. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD. ABC and BAD. Triangle BAD. These two triangles assume. These two we have to prove both are what? Congruent. Clear children? What are the required things here? AB is equal to AB. AB is equal to AB. For both ABC and BAD, AB is a common side. It is a common. Next one, what is anything else? Then opposite sides are equal. What is BC is equal to AD? Yes. BC is equal to AD because it is a rhombus. Just now we proved it. Or it is a parallelogram already. Then again last one, AC is equal to BD. That is also given. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal. It is given. What is the rule working here? The criteria SSS, triple S, by triple S rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Clear children? Now come to the conclusion. What is your conclusion? Here ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. That two completed. Now we have to prove one angle is 90 degrees. Clear children? Yeah. Now we write it by CPCT angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. Angle BAD. This is by CPCT. Now this one and this one both are one. You have to prove it is a 90 degrees. Yes. Here in all the sums we are doing same thing again. We will do here also. What is that one? These two are parallel and this one is transversal. Clear children? Then sum of these two is what is co-interior. Sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180. Right here angle ABC plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degrees, because reason is AD is parallel to BC and what is AB is the transverse. Clear? Now we know, just now we proved ABC is equal to BAD. Yeah, applying this, ABC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. Then it is 2 times of ABC is equal to 180. Then ABC is equal to what is it? It is 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. ABC is 90, then what about BAD? Angle BAD also 90 degrees. Clear, children? We know it is a rhombus. Now one angle, two angles we know now. Okay, that is this one and this one. You can prove this also. Yes. Therefore, all the angles are what is now 90 degrees. What is that? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Then what is it? Therefore, ABCD is a square. Clear, children? ABCD is a square. Just write in bracket. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Finally, what we have to prove here? ABCD is a square. ABCD is a what is square? That finally we proved. Clear, children?